And now to the latest on the monkeypox outbreak. The White House is sending thousands of additional vaccines to large-scale events around the country. As CBS 2's Jessica Moore reports, the announcement comes as officials in Harris County, Texas, investigate the first possible monkeypox death in the U.S.
U.S. health officials are targeting key festivals around the country with the resources to prevent the spread of monkeypox.
Our goal is to be even more intentional and targeted in how we work with states and cities.
The Black Pride Festival in Atlanta and Southern Decadence Festival in New Orleans will each receive enough vials to allow up to 5,000 people to get vaccinated.
We are expecting tens of thousands of people in New Orleans over this Labor Day weekend. And so being able to prepare for that and to get a head start on the vaccinations, on the testing, on the communications, all extremely important.
Secretary of Health and Human Services Javier Becerra says the government is working overtime to fight the virus, increasing testing capacity from 6,000 to 80,000 per week and sending 50,000 doses of the antiviral drug TPOXX to major U.S. cities.
So far, we've made over 1 million vials of vaccine available to jurisdictions, which is nearly enough to reach the entire population that's most at risk.
Health officials in Texas announced Monday they are investigating what role monkeypox may have played in the death of a severely immunocompromised patient who was diagnosed with the virus.
It's our understanding this patient also had underlying health conditions and had a number of things going on, and I think that additional investigation is needed to know what role monkeypox may or may not have played in their death. I think it's important to emphasize that deaths due to monkeypox, while possible, remain very rare.
Cases of the virus are dropping in major cities across the country, but infectious disease specialist Dr. Celine Gounder says that's not because of vaccines.
Last week, the CDC released the results of a survey showing that about half of men who have sex with men have really scaled back on high-risk behaviors. So, for example, the number of partners, whether they are finding sexual partners through apps. So the question is, are those behaviors going to stick?
Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.
And the White House also announced the creation of a new vaccine manufacturing facility in Michigan, which will double the number of vaccines currently available by the end of the year.